Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4 hours in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see, especially since Bitcoin is open 24 hours a day. This chart will change, but by using the 4-hour, it does allow me to kind of map out more so the overall levels of support and resistance to keep an eye on for the next 24-hour period. So yeah, when you watch this chart, it may look a little bit different, or when you watch this video, the actual chart may look different. But like I said, with these videos, I like to just focus on more so kind of the broad areas. And the first area that I want to focus on that we now have more data with is I'm just going to go ahead and actually move this level of support down to the 16,000 mark, because there's just a whole bunch of data now that really confirms that this is that level of support that you'd ideally like to see hold going forward. And this level just comes from basically a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance. So let's first just establish 16,000 was resistance. You can see knock down the price there, knock down the price there. But as the rule states, when those levels are broken, you want to see them act as support. So you fast forward more so recent price action, and you can see the price broke above it right there. And then you look at how the price has acted since then, and you could throw this right into a textbook. Several times the bears have tried to press down through that 16,000 mark, but each and every time the bulls have held strong. So shorter term wise, 16,000 is what I would consider the short term level of support, and that ideal level, meaning if the price falls below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined and Bitcoin's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can somehow manage to stay up above it, that would be a huge sign of power. For those of you that have watched the past videos I've done, nothing has changed from this perspective. But as far as kind of big picture is concerned, it's all about that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. And as I've said in past videos and will continue to say, as long as the price remains above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control of the chart, no doubt about it. Best case, preferable scenario, yeah, stay up above 16,000. But if the price doesn't, as long as it's still up above that purple line, the overall trend is fully in the bulls' control. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, essentially right now, as things stand, the bulls are struggling to get up through this, 17,200, 17,300, right around their area. But really, in my opinion at least, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority for the chart. Top priority is just keep on doing what it's been doing. Repeat the past history. What kind of past history? Well, just build higher bases, because as long as those higher bases continue to be built, then the overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. And again, the easiest way to monitor the health of the trend is just stay up above that purple line. And like I said, the bulls are in full control. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.